Hello everyone, I'm Neha Komaravelli and my project partner is Sripriya Simhadri. This is the demo for the final project of Distributed Operating Systems Principles. And in this project, we are implementing a Twitter clone, which is a replica of the actual Twitter web application that all of us use in our daily lives. Um, so we are implementing this using Erlang. So Erlang is basically used for creating a distributed system, which has the capability of handling multiple requests and users at the same time. And we're also using WebSocketing to create APIs for the communication between the client and the server. In this case, the client is the web application, the web pages that the user interacts with, and the server is the Erlang server that is running in the backend. Um, so for the demo, let's start by bringing the server up. We're using a makefile that compiles and executes all the functions that are required in the required order. So let's start. Let's just wait for it to come up. Okay, so now that the server is up, let's go and access the local host where we should be able to um, communicate. So this is the welcome page or where a new user can register to Twitter. So let's let's use two users in this case to implement all the functionalities. So let's say the first name is Neha and the username is Neha with some password. So this is the main page which has all the functionalities. So the first one is the feed or most popularly known as the news feed. So let's say this user has subscribed to some other users. So everything that the other users post or tweet, so this user should be able to see in its news feed. And this is where this user tweets something. So whatever it wants, it can just write and then just go ahead and tweet it. So this is when this user wants to communicate, so basically know everything that the other user posts. So this will try and implement after creating another user. Um, and we're implementing two other functionalities that are hashtags and mentions. So hashtag is basically used to group all the similar tweets together. So let's say you want to see all the World Cup tweets together. So let's say I want to tweet this and I use the hashtag WC and I tweet it. Now when I look up this hashtag, it should show me the list of all the tweets that have used this hashtag. So as you can see, it is printing out uh, the tweet that I just posted. And similarly, mention is used to tag another user in your post. This will also implement when we have another user created. So let's do that first. So let's say the next user is Priya. Okay, and we've registered. So let Priya subscribed to, or let's Neha subscribe to Priya. So that is done. And now let's Priya post something. So now that Neha is subscribed to Priya, we should be able to see it on the newsfeed. So this is the newsfeed of Neha, and I can see the first tweet that we've just done, and we also have an option to retweet. So let's try and mention an other user. So we mentioned using @ symbol. Now let's try and look up for the mentions. So we found a tweet that used the mention of Neha. Uh, so yeah, this is the basic functionalities of Twitter that we have implemented. And we also have a login page for the users that are not using it for the first time. So they can just log in, or they can just register if it's the first login. Now, when we go back to the server, we can see every functionality that we've used. Uh, so from the new tweets to tags and everything. Um, so yeah, that's about the implementation of Twitter using Erlang and WebSocketing. Thank you.